All right, little blue engine, hope you brought your goggles. You're about to eat my dust.
Don't be so sure, Max. I may be small, but I'm a really determined engine.
Look at those tires grip. I'm leaving you in the rearview mirror, Thomas.
Cinders and ashes. He's fast, but I've got full steam and the Northwestern spirit. Come on, wheels, spin.
Wait, how are you keeping up? You're just a steam engine.
I'm a steam engine with a deadline. Bust my buffers. Here I go. First place. Haha. Peep, I told you I could do it. Hi, everyone. Let's count some numbers together. Spot on. You're a really useful counter. Next stop, place number 1. I wonder who is waiting for us there. Whoa, easy does it. Look, it's a fluffy cat. Hello there, little friend. Come here, Iggy. Got it, true. One shiny egg, safe and sound in my truck. Better move slowly. We don't want any omelets today. Here we are, one special delivery for the station master. Peep, mission accomplished. Onward to place number 2. I wonder if our next friend is as friendly as the cat. Cinders and ashes. Is that a baby dinosaur? Roarsome. And 2. Got them. That makes 3 eggs in total for my delivery. Better hurry back to the station. We can't keep the station master waiting. Clatter my wheels. We've made it to place number 3. Hey, look who's here to meet us. Hello, Mr. Goat. Your rear 1, 2, and 3. Chook. Perfectly caught. 3! That's a heavy load. I'd better puff very carefully back to the station. Here, rear safe and sound. Another great delivery. Or, hello there, Wooly. Are those the eggs I'm looking for? 1, 2, 3, and 4. What a catch. Lot of eggs. I must be very careful not to rattle them on the bumpy tracks. That's another delivery done. Peep! We've made it! The final stop! Place number 5! Look at that beautiful horse! Are you ready to help me finish my delivery? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My wagon is full to the brim. Let's head back to the station for the big delivery. People at the station! All eggs are safe and sound! What a really useful day! Peep! See you next time! I loves being a really useful engine, especially when helping the animal friends. Hey, beautiful friends! It is a real scorcher on Sodor today. My boiler is bubbling. Oh no, look at the farm. The cows and sheep have no shade to hide from this hot sun. They look very tired. I can't leave them like this. I have a really useful idea. I'll bring some big leafy trees to the farm. Let's plant these right by the fence. There! One here and a big one there. Much better! Now everyone can stay cool and happy. Helping my friends is the best part of my job. Goodbye, everyone. Stay cool. Peep!
I'll put this in the recycling bin.
And this goes in the compost.
Great sorting, Percy.
Thanks, Thomas.
cinders and ashes. Percy, look at this place. There is garbage everywhere.
Oh no, Thomas! The grass is covered in garbage and old cans. The animals won't have anywhere to play.
We can't leave it like this. If we work together, we can make it sparkle again.
Ready? Let's get to work.
That's it! Every piece of trash goes right into the garbage box.
Look, Thomas! I can see the green grass again. It looks beautiful.
You're right, Percy. When we take care of our world, everyone is happier.
Let's keep Sodor clean and green. Peep, peep.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.